Today, we will be unboxing Vicrez Performance Coilover Suspension Kit for the Dodge Durango. Everything you need for the installation will be included in this kit, including 2 front complete coilover pieces, 2 rear complete coilover pieces, a tool bag that includes spanner wrenches, waterproof rubber cover mounts, and 4 knobs for damper adjustment. With this Vicrez Coilover Suspension Kit, you will improve the handling and stability of your car. One of the main advantages of a coilover suspension is the ability to adjust the right height and stiffness of the suspension to suit your driving style and the conditions you'll be driving in. This allows you to customize the performance of your vehicle to meet your specific needs, as well as enhancing the appearance of your vehicle with a more sporty and aggressive look. We now have Vicrez coilover suspension kits for just about every modern car model, and stay tuned for an upcoming installation video.